I used to think that going viral on YouTube Shorts was impossible, that it was all luck, and there was no way that thousands of people would want to watch my content. But now, after making many videos with several millions of views, I know that that's not the case. Here's how you can make viral shorts on YouTube and start seeing similar results. Step number 1 is to start a channel centered around something that is currently popular. When I was first starting out, I would make these terrible gaming videos with shit editing and wonder why they weren't doing good numbers. It took me several failed channels and a lot of trial and error to realize the importance of picking a niche that people actually wanted to watch. If I had gotten this advice sooner, then I probably could have been successful much earlier on. So don't make the same mistake that I did. Now you're going to choose if you want to make original or transformative content. Original content is based on your own videos that you shoot, while transformative content are reused videos that you edit into a separate piece of content. My channel is the transformative type, and I recommend this type if you are either just beginning or if you want to make money as fast as possible. You literally have access to any video on the entire internet for you to post, which just saves a lot of time that would be spent on recording and thinking of a video idea, maybe setting the video up. It's just a lot easier, and I recommend it to everyone just to make a transformative channel. Step 2 is to find an inspiration source. Find someone on YouTube Shorts who is in the same niche. Then sort their videos by most popular and see what their most viral video is and how they executed it. When I did this, I noticed a trick that was used in almost every viral video. And once I used it in my content, I began seeing my first major spikes in views. I'll explain more about this later. Step number 3. If your goal is to monetize your channel in the future, which it probably is if you're watching this video, you need to make sure that you're editing your downloaded content in some way. YouTube has a transformative short policy where they outline what you can and can't do when repurposing content for monetization. If you make sure to edit the video in some way or contribute additional value from the original content, YouTube allows you to post the content that you didn't even shoot yourself. The easiest ways to get around this policy are by either voicing over the original piece or by adding constant edits and changes to the original video. Step 4. Now let's talk about where to begin editing your content. Most editing softwares are pretty expensive to use, but you can use CapCut for an editing service without spending any money. I use it myself since I just think it's pretty stupid to pay for a service that you can just get for free. So once you've downloaded CapCut or another software, add your clip that you want to edit to the timeline down here. Then, set the screen ratio like this, so that your video works with the YouTube Shorts format, and you're all set. Step 5. Now that everything is in place, let's talk the actual editing that needs to be done in order to create a viral video. Here's my clip on the timeline, and you're first going to begin cutting up the clip for the footage that you want. Cut out every bland and boring part of the clips that don't contribute to the main idea of the video. Also, keep in mind that shorts can't be longer than 60 seconds, so you have to get your point across as fast as possible. Now we need to focus on the most important metric when it comes to going viral, and this is audience retention. We need to keep the audience engaged on the short for as long as we can, since this metric is what YouTube uses to see if they should show your video to more people, which is obviously how you get more views. You can see that all of my most viral videos have a very high retention rate. This can be achieved with 2 things. First, you want to start the short with text on the screen. This shows the audience clearly what the video is about and serves to grab their attention. The second extremely important thing is the music that you use. Pick a popular song that is easily recognizable and fits the theme of your video. A simple but effective bonus trick that I used when it comes to my music was picking a song with a big beat drop and lining the beat drop up with the video climax, which pumps up your audience retention to really high numbers. Step 6. Now it's time to download your content and post it on YouTube. Make sure to download it in 1080p, 60 FPS, so that the quality is nice and clear. Now, simply upload the file to YouTube Shorts, write an attention-grabbing title, and post the video. A lot of people put a large emphasis on hashtags, but they don't really help your video for the most part. YouTube says themselves that the hashtag system is just for when people misspell your video title. Something to keep in mind when posting your content is that viral videos could take days to hit the algorithm. You can see here that this video, which ultimately got a shit ton of views, took a while before it started really picking up steam. So until then, just stay patient and let the algorithm do its thing. Something that I've learned over time with YouTube is that it's pretty fair when it comes to choosing who should and shouldn't go viral. If you can achieve a high retention and have interesting videos, you're pretty much guaranteed to go viral eventually. Now, here are my results and some of my most viral content that I created after following these steps. If you're interested, here are some of my stats and graphs. So that's everything there is to know about creating viral shorts. Now, it's up to you to make good content, and most importantly, stay consistent in your posting. There are going to be days when you won't want to post. Maybe you're busy with school or work, and I've been in those shoes before. It's okay to miss a day here and there, but don't let yourself get complacent. It's the times when you don't want to post, but do it anyways, that sets you apart from the rest. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and smash the like button for more awesome content like this. Thanks for watching.